How to blur image in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to blur image in Figma. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account. Make sure you already created an account already on Figma. So once you've created it already, you would once you log on, this is a page you're going to see on your Figma. So Figma is basically about designing. If you are a designer and you want to use a good website or a good platform for your designing, Figma is very good. You can use it to design birthday pictures or wedding display pictures or whatever picture or whatever design that you want to do. So once you're logged in, you see at the top left corner of your screen, you see the move tools icon, you see the frame or region icon, you see the shape tools icon, also you see the creation icon, and after it is a text icon. You also see the hand tools, you see the add comment section also, and you see option to use a mask at the center or create a component. So just at the top right corner of the screen, you see the search icon and the share icon. So if you want to share your design with your friends or your clients, you can click on this icon to share. And you also see the missing font icon. If you need a font and it's missing, you can click on this icon at the top right corner of your screen to look for it. You would at the right side of your screen, you see several things you can use for your design. Under the design section, then we have the layer section. After the design section, we also have the view section after the layer section. Now, to learn how to blur image in Figma, you go to this view section. Once you've gotten to the view section, you click on the particular image you want to blur. Once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen. At the upper part of the drop down, we have solid, we have the solid icon, we have the gradient icon, we have the image icon, then we have the video icon. Also, what you need to do is to take a look at the lower part of the screen where we have exposure. So if you want to blur it, you just drag the exposure to the left according to how it suits you. You see that the picture is already getting blurred. You can do that. Then if you want to, you can go to contrast also. Contrast is the next one after exposure. You can also drag it to make sure that it is blur as you want it. So once you're done with this, you're good to go. So this is simply how to blur image in Figma. So once you're done, you cancel the drop down and you see that the picture has become blurry. It's no longer bright as before. So this is simply how to blur image in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.